If websites were just made of text, they might not be that interesting like we have today. One way of bringing life to a website is by introducing images. HTML gives us a way of introducing images using the img element. We have a simple web page here that has a title and a text in the body surrounded by h1 tag. So to put our first image, make sure that you have existing images in your project folder. We have an attribute src representing the source in this situation. This is where the image comes from. It is either fetching it from the web, like a link, or from within the project. Now, I have included some pictures in the project folder, and you can do that too by going to the project folder and including them inside. They are within a subfolder called pics. I have 3. One is a squirrel, one is a deer, and one is an emoji. So this is the first one, a cute squirrel. Then the second one is a deer, and the third one is an emoji. So we could use any of those. Now we go back to our source attribute and tell it to go to pics folder, and then under the pics folder we're going to tell it, hey, you can use the squirrel or the deer. We use the squirrel in this situation. Now if we go back to the website, we're going to see our squirrel image on there. The image is a high resolution image and is quite big. There's a way to reduce that and resize it. But for now, let's just deal with getting the picture on the site. This is the image of the deer. Cute deer, isn't it? So try it out and don't bother about why the image is so big. I'll teach you how to resize. For now, get the image in your project folder and link it in the source attribute.